Good evening, this is Eric Kolodny with the Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up for Thursday, April 7th. Dow today was down 17 points, closing at 12,409. Nasdaq was down 4 at 2796. Excuse me. It was a relatively quiet session for the first hour or so, pretty much as I sort of intimated it would be here and in the blog this morning. And then there was an earthquake in northern Japan, and no one knew what to make of it. And the Dow rapidly lost about 100 points. The Nasdaq was down about almost 1%. It was down about 20. And as things settled in, the earthquake wasn't quite as bad as people thought. There was no major tsunami. Stocks slowly worked their way back and closing barely lower. Just shows how strong this tape is. And barring any major news, the gains will likely resume themselves tomorrow. Nothing huge. It's the last day of where it's almost no news flow, where something like that can really move markets. It starts picking up again next week, but again, probably a drift tomorrow and to the upside. A few things to look out for. On the positive side, the rare earths, MCP and REE closed on or near their highs. IMGN today closed near a high after positive breast cancer treatment study results. BBBY closed near a high after posting great earnings. IL closed near a high after successful share offering. VHC, COO, SINA, and DBLE all closed near their highs. Expedia, EXP announced a plan to split into two companies after the bell tonight. TPX raised its earnings guidance. CUTR received FDA clearance for its onychomycosis product. STX raised its earnings guidance. WY was featured in Mad Money tonight. On the negative side, RT closed near a low after posting poor earnings. BYI issued poor earnings guidance. IDIX and NMM, SGMO, and JEF all offered shares. SATC warned on earnings guidance. PUDA closed near a low. And HERO received a subpoena from the SEC regarding potential violations of security laws. There are no major earnings of note out in the morning. With that, I wish all of you a good night and good luck trading tomorrow.